So today we do some basic customization in Taskbar, which are useful in day-to-day life. Like this widget's icon, it feels boring while using. This task view option is also relevant most of the time. So to make changes in taskbar setting, we need to right-click in taskbar and choose the option of taskbar setting. Here the taskbar setting appear. For making changes in search icon customization, click drop-down button. Here you will see options like hide, search icon only, search icon and label and search box. I personally like to hide this search icon. Now here are toggle button to make the visibility of taskbar. You can make it visible or hide it. As like for widgets option, also here a toggle button to make the visibility of taskbar. You can make it visible or hide it. Here you can make changes in the behavior of taskbar. You can hide the taskbar and see the full screen of desktop for better view. You can make changes in Windows 11 to shift the taskbar icon to left side of screen, but it look nice at the center. And many more to customize as per need. That's for the day. I hope you found something informative from this video. Then share the video with your friends and family.